All, let's begin the automation for the Let's Automate series. Today I'm going to show you in the routines and modes what I would do when I arrive at home. So I've created one thing called as at home. So here we can see that basically when I'm at home between 7:10 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. every Sunday, Friday and Saturday. Between these times and days can be changed, of course, and the place I'll be arriving, this is a fictitious place. I'll be switching on the Wi-Fi. I am going to set the sound mode to sound, ringtone to 73%, notification to 73%, system at 40%. I'm gonna change the lock screen shortcuts. Keep the WhatsApp for the left swipe and then camera for the right swipe. Media volume at 40% for the phone, 53% for the headphone, and 60% for the Bluetooth audio. I'm gonna increase the brightness to 13%, or rather reduce it to 30%. And when I'm out of this house, I'll be switching on the Wi-Fi, sound mode and vibratory mode to something else, change lock screen something else, media volume something else, brightness to something else. But most importantly, we need to understand that whenever we are arriving in this particular place means that our location service is on, otherwise this would not work. Okay, thank you.